everyone, it's Anna, and today we're gonna watch another 91 video. I just wanted to thank everyone who, all the fans of 91, all the Kazakh people, you guys are the sweetest, and thank you so much for suggesting for me to watch 91. I am starting to become a really big fan of them, and it's, I don't know if you guys ever have that feeling when you start standing a new group, you kind of just like watch all their videos. And so recently I've been watching like their interviews with English subtitles, of course, and they are so chill and laid back, and so I'm still wondering why they've been receiving a lot of hate, but personally I like them. And so the next video we're gonna watch is 91's Bayau. It came out last year in the summer, and so I'm expecting a summer vibe, another bop, because 91 always delivers. And so let's go. I'm excited to see how they look like, if anything has changed too. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Zach with pink hair. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Flower. Wow, the aesthetics, the visuals. Oh, he looks so good in a turtleneck. Oh, it's so fitting. You can see like you can see his arms. This song, it's so chill. Oh, his jawline. Bala, green hair. Okay, he rocks any type of hair. Oh my god. Do you hear the song? Oh, he looks so good. This song. Ooh. Oh, Ace, you look so good with the messy hair. Oh. Okay, that was unnecessary. I love the chorus. It's so catchy. Oh, I love 91. Oh, I thought it lagged. I was like, oh man, do I have to start all over? Okay, AZ, this is my favorite rap that AZ has done. It sounds so good. Ooh, hello? Did you hear the girl's voice? Ooh. Zach, his voice is so deep. I like how the raps like contrast each other. They definitely have a different color from other different rappers in the music industry. Oh, his voice is so powerful. Like, oh, he looks so good. He looks like Taemin because of the tight. Oof, not complaining. High notes. Oof, Bala. Oh, it's so cute. Even with green hair, I can't rock green hair. I'm waiting for the chorus. Oh, they're so adorable. I like when you can tell they're having fun, and so I'm having fun because they look so happy. Ooh, okay, don't expose your arm. Hey, did you see Alan? He was feeling himself. Oof, if I looked as good as them, okay. I like that part where it's like there's like a silence, like everything just goes. Did that hit Zach's face? Oh, my poor baby. Okay, AZ looks so good right now. Oh, I love you. I love them so much. Well, thank you so much for watching. Bye.